the first thing I will do is to bring in the building so that I can know the exact way of how to bend the text. So I'm going to bring the building from the image from my gallery. So this is the image I will be using. Since it is very long, I will want to crop it so that it can fit the size I have chosen for the image. So I'm going to delete this text and then I'm going to resize the image. So I'm going to lock this layer to make sure the image doesn't move around when I'm starting my editing. So I will move on to writing on the text. So I'm going to choose a font that best suits this kind of editing. And so I'll be choosing this font. Okay, I'm going to increase it a little. So guys, we're moving over to the perspective tool. So I'll start my bending. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Since I'm done with that, I'm going to save this text. So I'm going to make this layer disappear and then make the text transparent and then save it on my device. Okay, so guys, we are heading over to Snapseed for further editing. The first thing I will do is to bring in the building. So I'm going to do some cropping since the building is somehow long. Okay, I'll choose this square. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So with the double exposure tool, I'm going to bring in the text. I'm going to resize it. Now I'm going to choose the overlay style. As you can see, it has become darker, so I'm going to reduce the opacity. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. So I'm going to do some further editing. Then I'm going to apply some structure and sharpening. As you can see, after applying the structure, it makes it more realistic. So I'm going to use the selective color to pop out the image of this. Okay guys, we are done. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video, and share this video to your loved ones. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care and have a wonderful day.